I am Lorely Doliente from Pateros. I was diagnosed with stage 4 lung cancer 2 years ago. Up to now, I'm still taking chemo pill, which is also effective. And with the help of the pill, my tumors shrink. But when I found about this Bomera, and I took it, and it's also very effective. From 20, my tumor level dropped to 9 with only after 1 month of taking this. So I am recommending this to everyone who is sick like me to take this. This is because this can help you a lot.